The more material you use, the more gradient you're gonna get. So this is a very thin one wall, but it's a spiral print, which was awesome. It didn't take very long, and it made a very impressive vase. Hey, welcome everyone, it's John the Net Guy, and today we're taking a look at a new product from Semdon. This is their Rainbow Candy PLA. So what's special about it? Well, if you've got a 3D printer like mine and maybe you don't have the cool AMS and all the things that are needed to print multicolor, you can actually print multiple colors from the same printer at the same time using a Rainbow PLA. Now, there's different kinds. There's a tricolor PLA that they've sent me in the past, and it printed this beautiful articulating dragon, and I was super impressed with that, and I gave them a big thumbs up. Not only that, they sent me this new one to check out, which is their Rainbow Candy. Now you can kind of see the colors in there, little peek of what they've got. It's more of a pastel, so it's not going to be as vibrant, but they're still very gorgeous colors. The very first thing I printed was actually this vase, or is it vase? Vase, and you can see the gradient of color that it has. Now, the more material you use, the more gradient you're gonna get. So this is a very thin one wall, but it's a spiral print, which was awesome. It didn't take very long, and it made a very impressive vase. But if you wanna have it color change more often, again, just double your wall thickness, and you're gonna get the colors to change more. The second thing I printed was this vase, and you can see how it has that nice sheen to it. It worked out really, really well. On the A1 Mini, that's what I was using on most all of these prints. The third thing I printed was this speed benchy, and I did have one tiny little problem with it, which was in the smokestack. That could have been my settings. Settings recommendation on this is 210 to 240 centigrade Celsius for your PLA on the printer there. Next up after that was these axolotls. My kids love these things. They're articulating, and this is a cool option here. If you're looking to print multicolor, and again, you only have one printer, take a look at that. 3 different colors. This is kind of a pink going into purple. This is a purple from the blue, and a nice teal color. We got all of those out of the same printer, just printing over and over, reprint, reprint, reprint. After that, I went through the Christmas spirit, and I got these Christmas fidgets. These things are really cool here. So you can see that they go inside each other, and they go this way as well. And what I actually found out that I really liked is I mix and match them now. So I can take the blue shade here, and I can actually mix it with the green, and I can get a 2-color Christmas tree. So if you're looking for something, maybe you want to print a Christmas gift for people. Let me get the right pieces here. Maybe you want to print a cool Christmas gift for people. Just print these over and over and over, and then you can mix and match them afterward, and you can get this really wonderful effect. Probably my favorite color of the Christmas trees is actually back on this side, and it's this kind of gold to purple color. And we'll load those up properly this time, which is going to give you this beautiful 2-color kind of pink, gold, green PLA right there. Where did I put the last one? There it is. And then this one has got the purple and the other colors. So I want to thank Semdon for sending this out. Again, very easy to print with. I was on the default stock settings for my A1 Mini. Not a failed print except for this one, and I think that was because I wanted a little more heat in my unheated garage studio here. I didn't have the heat running, so I think it got a little bit cold, and that's what made the adhesion problem there. But that's full transparency. That's what you get from me. I think that their PLAs are wonderful. Not only that, they actually have a Christmas color theme that's available right now. Average of 4.6 stars on their reviews, so people really enjoy this stuff, and it's very affordable. So do yourself a favor, if you're looking for something to spice up your printing capability this holiday season, take a look at the Semdon Rainbow PLA to give yourself multicolor 3D printing this holiday season. This has been John the Net Guy. Thanks for watching.